my gosh, we went from a wood exterior batten board to a beautiful vinyl siding house and trim and all new gutters and downspouts. Hello, this is Brian Corcoran out in Orland Park, Illinois. We had service done by Global Exterior Experts, and it's all as a result of hail damage that we experienced last summer, and they did a fantastic job. They did the roof, the gutters, the siding, all the trim. Couldn't be happier. I think they worked real good with my insurance company, and they had a good relationship with us as well. They answered all our questions. They were always on time and prepared to do the work. I suggested them to a couple neighbors and friends, and I think they followed through, and they're also happy with the work that was done. So I would suggest to anybody, if they were looking to have some improvements done on their house, that Global Exterior Experts would be a great option to consider. Thanks, Global. Appreciate you coming out and doing a fantastic job. Looking forward to seeing you in the future. Keep up the good work. Thanks again.